Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine out of Burnsville, Minnesota. Today we have for sale a 2003 Mercury 40 horse ELPT EFI remote. It is a 20-inch. Has the Big Foot gear case on it, so it is kind of designed for a pontoon. Great application for a pontoon for somebody who wants something just to push them around the lake. It can be put on a fishing boat, but you'd have to mess around with the prop quite a bit to get that straight, to get what you want out of it. The hours on it were 609. Compression was 190 on all four cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It comes with the prop. It comes with the control box, no cables. No throttle and shift cables. The harness will be there, but not the cables. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new power head oil, and then the fuel system's been cleaned. So we do go through them pretty thoroughly to make sure they're good motors. No salt water, all fresh water product here in Minnesota, so get this thing rolling. As you can see, it's pumping good water. Neutral, reverse, kind of watch that a little bit, I guess. Got tilt and trim. And I believe there's a switch on the other side of the motor too, I believe, over here. Yep. Putting it in and out of the water. Neutral, shut her off. If you're interested in it, give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com and you can ask for James Jr. Thank you, have a good day.